how to place an order at MMRRC.org in 7 easy steps. A login is needed for all orders. It's easy to create a login. Follow the link at the top of the page. And if you forget to log in, no worries. The pop-up will prompt you in the middle of the ordering process. Search our catalog. You can search by genes or disease, or you can further filter your search with an advanced search. Add to cart. Verify the item that you've requested. Then, click on the shopping cart at the top of the page with a plus sign to add that to your cart. Contact information. Please double-check your information to prevent shipping delays. Whether you've created a new account or have a previous one, we want to make sure this information is still valid. If you are grant funded, please make sure you have that grant information available to continue. Depending on where the requested line is stored, its location determines the center from which billing and shipping originate. This particular center will be listed in your order. They will contact you for further order processing. Review your information. Before you finalize your order, a summary is given. Please review and make changes before submitting your order. Submit your order. After placing your order, an initial confirmation is shown to verify that your order has been submitted. A follow-up email is also sent to confirm that you've placed the order. And that's how to order at MMRRC.org in 7 steps. Please visit MMRRC.org to place your order.